Hello, we are writing to let you know about new information regarding your app. Upon reevaluation, we found that your app is not in compliance with the App Store review guidelines. Specifically, we noticed that your app name and subtitle includes the following trademark term or popular app name. The back. 2 years ago, my game was deleted off the App Store for apparently using a trademark term. My game was based off the Backrooms, an internet creepypasta that is open source, and there's like 5 billion other Backrooms games on the App Store. Anyways, I have ideas for why my game specifically was removed, including that it went viral, but to get it back, we need to update it. And if there's anything I know about uploading to the App Store, it's not easy. Considering that I haven't even touched my original Backrooms game in over a year, I'm gonna practice my App Store skills with another game you've been begging me to add. And this time, Apple, you're not deleting it. That's called foreshadowing.
It begins.
Why did the bills fail? Now would be a good time to explain why this is so difficult. Publishing any game to mobile usually involves 2 steps: exporting the game and setting up the store page. Step 2 is easy since that's all art and marketing, but step 1 is where the difficulty differs depending on your platform. Imagine a beautiful garden with clear skies and bright dandelions. That's what Android is. You just zip up some files and it works. So for Apple, you need to create a signing certificate to verify the legitimacy of the app, and then you need a provisioning profile to tell Apple which devices can run your app. Not to mention that you need to download this other Xcode app to send your app to the App Store, which doesn't even work half the time. Oh yeah, and you need to pay $99 a year for an account just for Apple to throw your hard work away for some unenforced copyright rule. No profiles were found. No accounts. Add a new account and I think I need an Apple developer account to actually export the game, but I haven't actually set that up yet, so let's set that up. We have our App Store team ID now. All right, it's making the archive. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Yes! All right. Now what do I do? Now that we have a file, we need to transfer it to an iPhone to see if our game actually works. I got this tutorial right here. This sure is gonna take a while. Oh boy.
Unsupported operation. Own unauthenticated connection.
Okay, so for some reason, it looks like my iPhone isn't connecting to my MacBook. According to this table of compatibility requirements, this iPhone is not compatible with Xcode, but thankfully, there is the option to update. I'm gonna go hippity hoppity. It is now my problem. Oh, more storage required. Can I delete some of the penguin pictures?
I don't have enough storage.
It's fine. Duolingo takes up a gigabyte.
No.
We'll transfer the videos to your computer, and then we'll transfer it back to your phone.
What do you do? Cancel it.
Only one way to find out.
No.
No, stop.
I don't know.
Hey. So after diplomatically resolving the issue with my sister, we fixed the error. So let's hit the build button. Okay, it says building. Oh, it said build succeeded. Okay, it should be on here. Is this on here? Backrooms 2D meets One Night in 2D.
Hello? Hello?
It freaking works, baby. The exit button doesn't work. What is this? We're getting scammed. Now that we have that on there, I have some ideas, just a very small quality of life improvement. Other than that, we roll, mate. I'm so excited.
So one of my viewers suggested that I should add Shadow Bonnie and JJ, which are 2 animatronics that are Easter eggs in FNAF 2, into my game. So while this time lapse is running, the game I'm currently porting to the App Store is a 2D remake of Five Nights at Freddy's. And now that I think about it, isn't that why my other game got rejected? I'm sure it'll be fine. It looks so beautiful! Functionality should be easy. So that is Shadow Bonnie. Next, we're just gonna do JJ, which should be even quicker. Woo! So cool, bro. Now that we have Easter egg animatronics appearing ever so randomly, I want to add a sound effect to emphasize the appearance. With JJ over here, I feel like we can use the high sound effect from Balloon Boy, but because we're doing JJ, which is like a girl version of Balloon Boy, I want to have a female voice. Soundly has this feature where you can go into voices and it's a text-to-speech with customizable equalizers and customizable voices. Here is this default text given by Soundly.
Flight SK-84 to Robot Dystopia is departing in 10 minutes from Gate 10.
That's pretty neat, I gotta admit. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is use Place It, which you can use to make sounds sound like they're in a certain place. You look at this room, it's a pretty big room. There's all these presets over here. What does a cave sound like? Okay, maybe that's too much reverb. Bro, we can make this guy sound like a president. I like the PA system airport because I feel like this is pretty clear but also has a good amount of reverb. The cool thing about Soundly is select the sound effect and literally drag and drop. That is so.
After also adding this sound effect to Shadow Bonnie.
I'm happy with this. Sound effects are not something that I'm too experienced in. The fact that I can just add reverb like that, text-to-speech like that. There's so many things that are so freaking cool about Soundly. So y'all better use that link in the description. Woo! Now that we have our game polished, we need to export it to iOS.
I have concluded that the only way I can proceed is to get the Apple Developer Program membership. That means I'm gonna have to pay 99 smackaroons. We have more options. Oh, this is exciting. I have an Apple distribution certificate, but I still don't know how to export my game. This is gonna take a while. Uncheck export with debug, making.x archive. Mother. Okay, so I found this GitHub request. Welcome to debugging. Distribute app. Oh, look at that icon. App Store Connect. Distribute. Come on, come on, come on. I don't know if this will work. Oh my gosh, please. FNAF 2D 2.01 uploaded. Oh my gosh.
Okay, it says 0 of 3 app previews. I don't know what an app preview is. Engage people on the App Store videos of your iOS. Best practices for creating. I'm guessing it's this. If the app preview is a short video, that's the trailer, which means we need to make. Now, similar to our first trailer for FNAF 1, I want this to be a faithful recreation of the FNAF 2 trailer, but in the pixel art 2D style that I made with the game. Let's see what we got to work with here.
Forgotten this bundle deactivated.
Oh, this is so good. Man, these models are nice. So many good memories with that, but we're actually going to plan out how we're going to recreate the scenes. Now we have the entire trailer storyboarded. I feel like this trailer is broken down into 3 main parts. This part with the custom 3D rendered scenes. And then after that, we have the animatronic poses. And then the gameplay footage. That should be simple. That's the plan for this trailer. So, let's start working. I just have to accept it. Yes, I'm so freaking happy, man. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, I'm so happy with that. We need to list out all the gameplay clips that we need. Let's take this clip. And just like that, that's pretty much all the gameplay. Very happy with how this is turning out. Now that we have our gameplay footage, our custom scenes, our animatronic pan-arounds, we need to make these titles. When I edit like massive videos in Premiere Pro, after a certain point, it just becomes so laggy. Like I can't play without having to wait 500 years for it to play, you know what I'm saying? This is like my first time using DaVinci Resolve, so let's figure out how to make titles and motion graphics. Oh boy. We're just gonna worry about making this guy scale up. Oh my god. What is this workflow? I'm imagining that behind this title, there's all these TV lines, but the text serves as a mask. This is breaking my brain. Completely different to Premiere Pro. Oh, frickin' got it. I had to put the title as the mask. Oh, this looks amazing, bro. This looks so good. Bum, 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 bum. What we're gonna do now is focus on the audio. So we're gonna break down to the London Bridge, the phone call, and the actual music. I have no experience in sound design, so we're just gonna try some stuff out and pray that it works. Let's start by recording the phone call. Hello? 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 I'm gonna read this script over here. Hello? 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 I like that. I feel like it's a little too high pitched though, and I don't like the fact that I chuckled. I feel like it should be a little more serious. Next step, go into shape it. Speaker walkie-talkie. Let's see how this sounds. Hello? 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 Well, if you're hearing this. Okay, I do like that a lot. Next will be London Bridge.
London Bridge is falling down. London.
We'll try this walkie-talkie. I think the walkie-talkie emphasizes the retro kind of feel we have to the game. I think this is good, guys. For the music, I really like the radio preset. I wonder if we could add like a 8-bit beat. I actually don't know what the BPM of this is, so 139, 140 BPM. Here's all the beats found within the Soundly library, and here's all the beats found within Freesound, which is an add-on because Soundly can integrate other sound websites into their program. You know what? Let's try a jazzy beat. That's hilarious, bro. No, we're not gonna do that. You can literally search up anything. If the Soundly library doesn't have it, Freesound sure does with its 100,000 sounds that's just integrated right into Soundly, bro. Chiptune drum. Oh, wait. That actually sounds kind of nice. I feel like we need to add a... I like that sound effect. We're gonna use place it to add some reverb to it so that it sounds this. It gives it that nice 8-bit style. Export.
With our trailer finished, here it is. With some added singing to avoid copyright.
Well, if you're hearing this, chances are you've made a very poor career choice.
YouTube, please don't copyright strike me. I want to make essence money. Bum 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 ba da dum. Bum 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 bum. Pow. Bum 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 bum. I haven't uploaded it in 5 months. Bum 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 bum. I just want to be done editing this video. Bum 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 bum. I'm such a good singer. Bum 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 bum. I absolutely love how this turned out, and huge thanks to Soundly for giving me access to their entire toolkit. If you want to spice up your projects with some good audio, Soundly is a must. And
now that we have everything in place, let's head to apps, One Night in 2D, prepare for submission. Project, export, web, save, FNAF 2D, then go into Windows, save, FNAF 2D, on Android. I'm just gonna send it, I feel like it'll work. Play Store Console, create a new release, hippity-hoppity, this is now my property. We have everything set up, Android published, 3, 2, 1. What are the chances Apple rejects me? We wanna add an app preview, drag this in maybe. App preview dimension should be that. I tried to upload it here, but if we go into our app preview, maximum length 30 seconds. So we're gonna have to cut out a lot of stuff. There's a chance Apple just rejects this. We must upload a screenshot for 13-inch. I'm ready for submission. It's gonna get pretty complicated if Apple rejects this. The add for review button. I'm so nervous. Please, Apple, don't reject me. Submit to app review in 3, 2, 1. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Welp.
that's called foreshadowing. And here's why.
It's been a few days. Since then, I've gotten 2 emails, and both of them aren't good. App installs but doesn't load. So I probably should have tested my game before I actually sent it. That's not the issue I'm worried about. The issue I'm worried about is this. No, man. Well, this isn't a pleasant sight. Both my games have been rejected by Apple. Erased. Thrown away into the catacombs of the corporation. All right, well, please don't be copyright problem. Please don't be copyright. Please don't be copyright. Please, please, please don't be a copyright. The app or its metadata appears to be misrepresenting itself as another popular app or game already available on the App Store. Damn. Come up with your own ideas. Come up with your own ideas. If Five Nights at Shrek's Hotel 2 and Freddy's Steak Burgers Shrek is accepted by Apple, hopefully my game can be too. I understand it. I understand that, Apple doesn't want fan games because they want to keep each app unique and distinct from another. I was really hoping this would have a good ending, but on a fundamental level, this app is a remake of Five Nights at Freddy's.
And that puts me in a unique position. Don't get it twisted. I hear your overwhelming cries to continue this series. I mean, this guy literally donated $75 to see me remake all the FNAF games, and that is something I will do. But seeing that I'm now
0 for 2, baby. 0 for 2.
Maybe Apple's right. Maybe I should create something.
We actually only have like a day and a half. Decrease the data call here. I just wasted like the last 3 hours. I don't know what I'm doing. This is a cool mechanic. Assuming that everything goes right, I cannot get it to work. No.
Original.